Right, well, welcome back to my workshop. Now today, I'm playing around with this. This is a light switch unit for a BMW 3 Series, around about 2012. So B90, 91, E92, whatever. The little twisty thing disappeared off inside it and then just started flapping all over the place, couldn't do anything with it. Now I went on Amazon, I found you can buy these, and they're literally like a tenner. But the one thing it didn't fix was the little pin that had disappeared down inside. So what I did is I took the back off, pulled the circuit board out, and then I pushed the little thing back in. So there's like two little pins on springs. I pushed them back in, pushed it all the way through. And then all I did was cut a little bit of rubber pipe, drop it over the pin, and then when the circuit board goes in, it rests against the circuit board. And of course, because it's a lovely little bit of rubber pipe, it won't play up, if you see what I mean. Simple as. Simple as. For some reason, it's now fighting back. What's going on? Why is it doing this? Nip a little bit more off. Try it now. So this pretty much what it was like, just nibbling it down until I got it pretty much exactly where I wanted it. And then I wonder if that's the reason why. That's better. Perfect. There we go. And then theoretically, when the back goes back on, so there and there. So voila! And it stops the pin from disappearing inside. Just got a tiny bit of play on it, which I think is really good. That's nice. And then, obviously, I haven't got my new one of these yet. I'm still waiting for that to turn up, but theoretically, that will plop on that, like that, if you imagine. Like that. And then that, which is the front face, will go back on like that. It would sit. Boom! Nice. But obviously my little clip thing's busted at the moment, so I'm waiting for a new one of these. But theoretically, if your little turn wheels disappeared inside your light switch, so you can do it, and so you can fix it, just take the back off, take the circuit board out, and then all you need is a little bit of rubber pipe. Just chop a tiny little length, push the pin back in, pop the bit of rubber in behind it, and boom, good little light switch. Just got to wait for that little thing turn up. Amazon, 10 quid, bargain. This light switch is like a lot of money, so literally £10 fix is like bargains. So we're going to stick with that. Anyway, hope that's been useful. I'll show you the light switch number just in case that helps you. Loads of numbers on there, so take your pick. But that's obviously what was on the actual thing, and that's the light switch there. There you go. Hope that helps you. If it does, like and subscribe, share it about. Simple as.